Hey guys, what's going on? Finally back in the shop. I'm about to build a bevel grinding jig for these knife blanks that I've had laying around for a while now. These little guys right here, it's pretty small. It's the first design that I've ever actually done myself. So I got everything laid out. I'll show you and then we'll get to building it. But I got a 6-inch piece of angle iron here. It fits this work rest perfectly, just working with the old trusty Harbor Freight 1x30. I got 2 brass bolts here, a couple of washers, a couple of lock nuts. Basically, we're just gonna drill holes in the bottom. The knife's gonna be sitting on the back like that. And then however many washers is, gonna determine the size of the angle that this is gonna touch the grinder. So should be pretty simple. I know there's a ton of designs out there on YouTube that I base this off of. So I'm gonna go put this over here and get ready to cut it off. Oh man, I really hate using a cutoff disc, but I mean, it does get the job done. Not to get one of those little portable band saws or something. Alright guys, that's really it. We just gotta put it together now. We'll put the bolts in there. These aren't, these are just regular nuts. They don't have the nylon on them. So I got some locking washers. And I think that's gonna be enough of an angle like it is actually. And then we'll run these down. Alright guys, that's what we got. Vice grips are a little too big, but don't even really need to post with the vice grips like that. But you can see we got just a slight angle under there. Should do the trick. About to try it out.